Yo, what's up, guys? It is Soccer Bros 100% here, but we are only 50% here because our two companions are not here today. They're in school while we skip, to stand the grind with you guys, because we love you. Yes, sir. Come on. Alright, so today we are doing school shootout. You might know what that is, but if you don't, basically we're going to put the ball on the different lines of the field that we are on today. It's a very nice field, as you know. And we got to hit the net before it hits the ground. If you hit the ground, you lose. So, like, for instance, I'm going to, like, hit the net first and you go in the goal. That's the point. So, we will see you in the next clip.
Yep.
See ya. Yo, what's up, guys? I was getting the gains.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So, first shot, I'm going to just smash you,
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Sound like DiBaldinho, you feel?
Alright, let's see it, bro. Yeah, run it up.
Bro, what are you doing, bro?
Bro, oh my god.
Oh my god! How did I miss that last one? See, I gotta shoot again because I can't be out on the first round.
Action.
I'm gonna hit this one.
Jesus.
Top bins, man! Alright, so guys, this first shot, no way I mess it up. Come on. Oh. New shot, new life, baby.
Yes, sir. Ooh. Alright, let's see it. Let's see it.
Yes, mate! Come on! Come on! Oh, yo, what's up, guys? It's Sussy Among Us Ronan here, and we're just gonna place it top right. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Come on! I play basketball!
Swear?
Yeah, oh, he's put it in barely, though. Oh, I'm holding, mate. Come on. You thought I was gonna do a trick? Nah, bro. Defense for life.
Facts good.
Place it top right. He's hit the ground! He's hit the ground! What do you have to say about that? Nah, bro. Alright, so if you hit this right now, I'll let you keep playing. Alright. Okay? But it's gotta be top left or right. Okay. Okay? Because you deserve it. You yes. Yes. Of course. Yes.
Yes, come on.
Was it top right or left?
But I can hit it. I was just
Alright. Go.
Alright, so, John's shot was horrendous. He needed 2 for it. But, I'll make it go top it. Alright, the goat is back. I'm not gonna rhyme.
Alright, let's see it, man. If you miss, you're out, by the way. Oh, that's embarrassing, bro.
I don't know how to hit it. Alright, guys. Y'all just missed. I just had to put it in. No fancy stuff. Just put it in. And if I miss, we keep going. So I don't want to do that.
And I get a second life.
Oh, come on! Alright, I'm just gonna, hit it again like the goat does. Ah!
That's better.
Alright, guys. No biggie. If I don't hit it, because Alright, come on. Third time's the shot, right? That is not even in, man. He's missed the goal. Third time's the charm, guys. Go on, third time is the charm. Top right as well, because I'm feeling lucky. Oh!
Not even in?
Bro, you missed it.
Oh my god.
Oh, boy, hit the ground.
Yeah, man, you just are failing at life right now.
You see that?
Let me see. Nah, I don't see anything. It's turf.
Alright, guys. Honestly, I'm getting pretty annoyed that we're missing. So I'm just gonna like put it in, you know, easy. Top bins as well.
Alright, this might be a little one.
Fifth shot, fifth shot. Fifth time's the charm. Dude, as you can see, it rolled in. How you feel about that, man? Oh, he walks off.
Alright, guys, this is number 5, the Sussy Baka shot. Top right or left, I don't know. I haven't really decided, but let's go in this one.
That's all you got. Thumbs up? Alright, let's see them. No way. Oh, that
I hit it too high.
it looked close, but no. The run of shame. While everyone's watching. Go.
Alright, so 6th shot, I think. There's been a lot to count. I've been getting closer every time, but I think this one's gonna be it. Once again, top left or right. Oh.
This is your 7th shot? You know? Go on, keep going.
I'm not gonna waste my shot like that.
Alright, respect. What? Dude, that's not even close, man.
Trying to power it.
Alright.
Alright, so I'm not very happy with this performance today. Alright guys, so the wind is way too strong around us right now.
Yo.
To hit this amazingly long shot.
Yo.
So we're gonna resort to what we have. We're gonna try bending it from the corner.
In the next video.
Nah, but for real, we're gonna be in the corner and we're gonna see who can score the best corner curve of them all.
Yes, sir.
We'll see you into it, man.
Alright, guys. He's pretty confident about this, but I don't know. Yeah, look at that. That's embarrassing, man. Look at it. Oh, wow. Alright, guys, this is y'all's redemption because he was not very happy about me scoring and missing, so yeah. He's got the thumbs up. Yeah. So yeah. Oh wait, that might be in. Oh, it's been a little too much at the end. Oh.
Alright guys, you saw me miss twice, but I did hit it.
At the end, after like a few more, so
After my third one, I hit it. Ronan did see it.
it was a good one. It barely went in. It hit just the near post.
It
It
hit
went
the
in.
post, but it did go in.
So,
So it counts.
but to be honest with you, mine was a lot better and on first try.
Okay, we know, but you do have, raise your foot. You do have those spikes right here. You see those? So, those spikes, I think he's cheating. I don't know, let us know in the comments. Make sure to like, subscribe,
And we will see you in the next video.
peace out.